So if you are someone who is struggling to get too much, who is struggling to get your Facebook group leads from Facebook group to Excel sheet, this is the particular video is for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So hey guys, this is Nilesh, and in this video I am going to share with you how you can get the leads that you are getting into the Facebook group, how you can capture those leads that you get every single day in your Facebook group to the Excel sheet, so you are able to build your email list. So let's get started with this video. And if you are someone who is watching me for the first ever time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, because this is where I'm talking all about internet marketing, online business, and related stuff. So please make sure you subscribe to the channel and also invite the people who wants to learn all about the things. So I'm talking all about how you can capture the email, your leads into the Excel sheet. So for that, if you are going to do this kind of task manually, it takes too much time. So if you want to save your time, I'm going to share with you the tool, and that tool is Group Convert. So how to capture your Facebook group leads into Excel sheet using the Group Convert extension. So I'm going to share all about how you can use Group Convert extension into your business, so you are able to make your work on automation, you are able to capture the leads on automation. So what is group convert Group Convert is allow you to save the time to capture leads on autopilot mode from your Facebook group to Excel sheet. So I am going to show you the demo, how what does that exactly mean, is like what is the capturing leads, what is the autopilot mode, or what is the Facebook group lead or Excel sheet. So I am going to show you the detail. So if you can see this particular thing, this is all the data that I collected from my Facebook group. If q1 there is, if you are able it visible in front of you, q1 is a question 1, a1 is answer 1, q2 is a question 2, a2 is answer 2, q3 is a question 3, and a3 is equal to answer 3, and q3 is mostly email list. First, this hidden thing is their name, and this hidden thing is their email address. And if I am going to collect this data manually, it takes too much time for me, and I am not able to manage my time because of collecting, just my time is waste into collecting this data. So what Group Convert is do, Group Convert just help you to connect your Facebook group with Excel sheet, and you just need to click on add. All the other members, all the new members into your group are entered into your Facebook group. So this is how you get new list into your Facebook group. So this is my main Facebook group. There is currently 12 requests is pending, and if you can see, this is the new request, but he doesn't give any answer, so that's why I'm not approving his request. But if someone give all the answer, what I need to do is I just need to click on approve, and all the data is captured into this particular Excel sheet. So that's how Group Convert is working. So how you are going, if it was amazing for you, if it was mind blowing for you, just type it down, yes, mind blowing, right? Let's get to the next thing, how you can use the Group Convert. So first thing is you have to purchase this Group Convert. There is a 14-day free trial. You can use the 14-day free trial, and I'm dropping the link in the description or in the comment section. You can use that link, and you can use the 14-day free trial. Then install this Group Convert extension into your Chrome, right? So once you installed it, it looks like it. So once the Group Convert is installed into your Chrome extension, in your Facebook, you are able to see this feature. If you are open your Facebook right now and search this thing, you are not able to find this thing, but in especially in request area, members request area. But once you install this Group Convert, this particular thing is pop up. Group Convert, the data for this group will be pushed to particular Google Sheet, because this data is come, this particular thing is come because now you are able to get capture all the leads into the particular Excel sheet. And how you are going to do it? By grab the Google Sheet URL and put the Google Sheet URL into this particular section, right? So let's move to the next slide. What the next slide? I'm going to show you the exact step by step. So how you find the Group Convert? Once you install, open this Group Convert extension tab. So go and open the extension bar. If you can see this extension bar, open this extension bar, and here you are able to find this group convert. So if you can see, there is my group convert is already there pop up, but I'm not click on this because my mail ID is there. So if you click on the group convert logo, this is how if it is visible completely small, so that's why. But on the screen, in the screenshot, you are able to see this red color G icon is something that group convert extension, right? So once you click on this, it shows like this pop window is pop up in front of your eye. What you need to do is just click on the view data, and once you click on this view data, something open like this. So let me open the another screen for you, and that is a group convert particular members area. So just a minute. Windows group convert list, yeah. So if you can see, this is the group convert list, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks. And once you click on extension and then you open this thing, this is open and visible like this. So what you need to do is, now this kind of thing, I hope you get clarity. The one thing that you have to do is, you need to open the Google Sheet, and for that you can visit the particular URL that I am dropped into the description, because from there you are easily find the Google Sheet that is already prepared for this group convert extension tool. So I am directly jump onto the particular group Google Sheet, or I give you the URL into the description. So this is the thing, that this is the URL, and from this URL you click, you have to find this particular thing. On the point number 8, you need to get the Google Sheet from here, because this Google Sheet is clearly prepared for this group convert extension. So it saves your time to creating all those things, all the header part on this particular thing. So let me open the Google Sheet for you in this screen. So now it is visible to you, right? So this is the Google Sheet that hover in front of you, that open for you. What you need to do is, first step you have to do is click on the file and make a copy of this Google Sheet. Make a copy of this Google Sheet. The first step you have to do is that, then once the copy is open, what you need to do again here is, I just show you. Once the copy is open, if this particular pop-up is come in front of you, okay. So yeah, click on the share button. If this share button is visible to you, click on the share button, and once you click on the share button, this is look like this. I'm not showing my particular screen because my email ID is there. So yeah, I'm going to show you this thing. So open this. Once you click on the share button, you find this thing. So group convert copy, or share your copy of group convert sheet, please make, right? So this is the particular thing you find. What you need to do is, you just need to take the copy of this particular URL. So I am copying this. I'm clicking on the share button, and right now I'm copying the particular URL. Give the access to anyone, because restricted URL is not working. Just click on the copy and click on the done. Once you click on the done, come to your Facebook group. Right now again I am stopping the screen and opening the Facebook group, so you are able to see how is the things going to work. So let me open the Facebook group. So once you enter into the Facebook group, here this particular things is visible in front of you. Look at this group convert the data. This is the particular thing is visible in front of you. And once you enter the particular URL that you get from group convert Google Sheet, this is the control V. Just do control V, and the this is the succeed. Once you see the succeed button, that means your email list, sorry, your Google Sheet is converted with group convert. And that's how easy it was. That's how easy it was for. And now what you need to do is, just you have to approve any new people, new member into your Facebook group, and this particular tool is help you to capture the leads, to capture all the information of the particular new member. So I just give you the example of by approving the one person request. So once again I need to stop this screen and I need to share the another screen. Okay, my main group, this is the main group of mine, and I'm right now approving this person in front of you. So what I need to do is just approve, click on approve, and if I can open this particular Google Sheet, I approve this person in front of you. Right now I need to open the group convert window for to show you the data that I, this is the particular group that I use. So yeah, that is the name of the particular person. I am not understanding what is the name of this person, but 20th of July, right? Today is the 20th of July, and right now I approve this person, and this person data is enter into this section, this area. And if I give permission from here to click on the push to Google Sheet, if I click on the push to Google Sheet, it push into the my particular Excel sheet that is I showed you in the previous slide, that I want to show you once again so you understanding it clearly, right? So let me show you once again the particular slide. This is the slide. So all the data that comes into group convert window, once I click on the push button, it appear in this particular Excel sheet. And from this Excel sheet you can use any toolbar, like for example Zapier, for sending to your particular email tools. What that was might be get response, that was might be convert kit. So that's easy to capture the email list in a very manual format, sorry, on automation format. You just need to approve all. Right now I just show you the one approve. If you click on the approve all, let me show you approve all, but I'm not going to click on approve all because I don't want to approve each member, but I just want to show you how approve always work. So once again I need to share the screen. So if I click on this approve all button, all the leads that is visible in front of you right now is enter into my Facebook, into the particular group convert dashboard. And from there I just need to click on the push to win Excel sheet, and that is it. That's it. 10 leads, 15 leads, 100 leads, 200 leads, 1000 leads, whatever the number of leads is pending into your Facebook group is comes into your Excel sheet, and that's powerful this tool is. So make sure you implement the step. You're going to learn, apply all the step, and hope you get value from this particular video. Please, thank you so much. Sorry, not please, thank you so much, but please make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, because this is something that helped me or my channel to get more visibility or more push on YouTube. Right? So thank you so much once again. Please do share what is your biggest takeaway from this particular video, and if you want any topic, particular topic on the particular video, so just share in the comment section. Till then, Nilesh is signing off. I'll meet you in